Okay, good day again. Here's a word, a 3-letter word, right? And in this word, there are 3 letters. This letter, this letter, this letter, right? Now, when we are reading, we come from this side, we go from this side to this side. So in this word, since we go from this side, from left to right, in this direction, the first letter you're going to meet is this letter. Then you're going to meet this letter, and then this is the last letter you're going to meet in this word. So this is the first letter in the word, this is the middle letter, and this is the last letter, right? Now, suppose I want to know what this word says. I have 3 letters, and we know that letters make sounds, right? So what I can do, I can sound it out to find out what this word says. Okay, so I'm going to start sounding. I know that this letter says h, at, hat. Okay, so by sounding it out, I found out that the word, these letters together, they say the word hat. Right. Now, today I want you to listen and tell me what sound you hear first, in the middle, and then last. Okay? So I want you to listen for the sounds. And to do this, I'm going to use my fingers to help you with that, right? So each letter makes a sound, and together all the sounds of these letters made the word hat. So the next thing, you are going to listen and tell me what sound you hear first. Okay, so the green, where's the green? Oh, the green is the first sound. I'll raise this finger when I'm saying the first sound. The black, I will raise it when I'm saying the middle sound, and the blue, I will raise this finger when I'm saying the last sound. But today, we are listening for the first sound, okay? And next time, we will listen to find out what is in the middle, and then the next time, we will listen to find out what's in the end. So, let's begin. Remember, we're listening for all the sounds, but especially the first one. And the first sound is the sound you hear as soon as I start to say the word. That's the first sound you hear. So I'm going to say it. H. Where is it? Where are my fingers? Right. H. A. T. I'll do that again. H. A. T. Again. H. Listen for the sound that you hear in first when the green finger comes up. H. A. T. So that's it. How many sounds are you hearing? H. That's 1. A. That's 2. T. That's 3. H. And then I'm going to say it a little faster. H. At. H. At. Hat. So each finger is saying something else. The first finger is saying, the second finger is saying something, and the third finger is saying something else. So let us listen to see what the first finger is saying. The first finger I put up, right? The first finger I put up is going to say this sound, make the sound of this letter, because that comes first. So I'm sounding it first. Then the next finger is going to make the sound of this letter, because that comes in the middle, and this finger is going to make this sound here, right? So I'm going to say it, h, a, t, h, a, t. See, h, a, t, h, a, t, h, a, t. I'm doing it one more time, and then I'm going to ask you a question. H, a, t. Now, what was the first sound you heard? What's the sound you heard when I put up this finger? Was it H? Was it A? Or was it T? I'm going to do it again and tell me what sound you hear when I put up this finger. What is the first sound? First sound you hear when I put up the first finger. H, A, T. One more time. H, A, T. What sound did this make? Yes, that said huh, huh, right? So, this is what I'm going to show you also. Oops, sorry. Right. So this is what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put a line. I'm going to write some of the word, and we're going to find out what sound comes first. So here's the word. Right? Sorry about that. And I'm going to try and draw a little hat, my version. Right? Right. A hat here. Okay? And we are going to, we have this letter and this letter, but I left out a letter. So I want you to tell me what letter I left out or what sound I left out. Huh? What sound are you hearing when I say the word hat? What's the first sound you're hearing? Yes, it's huh, huh, huh. And tell me what letter makes that sound. Does this letter say huh? Oops, I messed up. Does this letter say huh? No, that letter says Does this letter say huh? No, that letter says k. Does this letter say huh? No, that letter says b, b. Oh, what letter makes that huh sound? So I'm going to ask you one more time. Does this letter say huh? No, that letter says b. We are looking for huh, right? Because here it is. Huh, a, t. Huh, 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 a, t. We want to get huh. Does this letter say huh? Look at it. Yes, that letter says huh. Right? So that's the letter we are going to write there. That's the letter that is missing. Huh. 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 At. Now it's complete. Huh. At. Hat. And I could also write it with a common H, whether it's capital H or common H or uppercase H or lowercase h, excuse me a minute, it makes the same sound. Huh, huh, at, huh, at, huh, huh, at, huh, at, hat. So I'll draw another little hat here. Okay, hat. Right? So this is what you're going to do the exercise, right? Putting in the missing letter. Okay, bye.